India has the largest population of the blind. From past 65 years, we have been empowering the visually challenged persons to bring them in the mainstream society with the assistive technology, and we have employed people in the mainstream industry like banking, telecalling, medical transcription, and all other aspects where we can bring them in the mainstream society.
Accenture is co-innovating with National Association for Blind India to build guided assistive solutions leveraging latest artificial intelligence technologies. Accenture has developed an accessibility solution called Drishti. Drishti is an acronym for Disambiguating Real-Time Insights for supporting humans with intelligence. Drishti also means vision, and it helps blind people derive insights that enhances the way they live and work. The solution leverages multiple industry-leading artificial intelligence services from Microsoft and others to describe the world around the visually challenged person. Accenture Labs' research in natural language processing is used to aggregate, disambiguate, infer, and generate a coherent narration of the world for the visually impaired.
This solution leverages some of the latest artificial intelligence technologies as well as natural language processing, and it gives the blind people a real-time insight of what's happening around them.
It is a dream come true for blind people. This software will enable us to see the world which we were unable to see previously.
Drishti helps identify objects around the user.
Analyzing the scene. I think there is a cell phone on the table. On deeper analysis, I think it is a black Samsung Galaxy Android phone.
The solution provides natural language generation capability to describe the scene to the visually challenged person. Drishti also narrates English text from printed books and documents using optical character recognition.
Analyzing the scene. I think it is a book on a table. On deeper analysis, it is God's own kitchen book.
The solution uses human-centric design principles and can integrate with smart glasses like Pivot Head to support the visually challenged with information with just a tap on the mobile screen.
Scene captured. Analyzing the scene. I think it is a white sedan.
Smart glasses like this have a camera inbuilt, and then it becomes very interesting because it will talk via Bluetooth to the accessibility solution, and then all you have to do is wear this glass, and as you tap on your cell phone, you can see and hear more about the world around you.
It was very difficult for me to identify the glass doors which are there in these corporate buildings, and I used to bang on those glass doors. But now with the solution created by Accenture, helps me to identify those glass doors.
Analyzing the scene. There is a glass door in front of you.
And with the support of this solution, I can walk into those doors without hurting myself.
The solution can be used to describe the close surroundings.
Analyzing the scene. 2 people were detected. Age 37.3 years old male who is smiling, and 35.2-year-old male who is smiling.
The solution also incorporates responsible AI by ensuring data privacy and not storing any images internally. Drishti can also be used to identify new Indian currency notes, which is often confused with lower denomination notes by the blind.
After demonetization, it has become very difficult to identify the currency, but the solution supports me even to identify those new currencies, which is very helpful so that I cannot be cheated.
Analyzing the scene. I think this is a 500 Indian rupee note.
We are very happy to say that this is a solution a lot of people are using, and they are feeling that they're getting more empowered to lead a normal life.
I can say that this software is a Drishti, it is a true vision for us. I must thank all developers of this software. I must congratulate them for taking this step to make our lives meaningful and fulfilled.